Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. God bless you more. More blessings to come, more years to come, and more favor from God. And we love you and God. Happy birthday, Mom.
Sandel. Tong. Isa. Bati mo na. Ay.
Napakamahiyain. Sir Mom, happy birthday to you. More happy birthday to God.
Oh, bati.
Hi, Mom. Si Ating Jill, happy birthday. Thank you for blessing.
Oh, dito. Brad. To Juvi. Ayan. Bati mo na. To Juvi. Sir Marian. Birthday greeting.
I wish all that is best in our Christian life. First, prosperity as she grows deeper in the Lord, more wisdom, multiplication of blessings for she and her family.
Amen. Thank you. To Juvi.
Happy birthday, Mom. May more blessings in your life and your family. God bless you always.
Come. Greet mo na. Greet mo na.
Happy birthday, Mom. Sana marami pang birthday. Salamat sa ating maraming mo.
Amen. Oh, dito. YouTube. Ali, greet mo na, Starlene.
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Whatever is the heart of the Lord, just you continue and pray that faithfulness and integrity remain in you, and may God bless you always in every area of your life.
Amen.
God bless you.
Brother Orville.
Many birthday to come. God bless you.
Brother Noel. Ikaw pa.
Birthday,